All right, everyone, how's it going? I am Esad, and I am here in this video to show you the portfolio project that I've been working on for, I don't know, I guess like the last 2 weeks now. I've been just going ham with it. So yeah, let's get started. So I am running my portfolio project on an EC2 instance on Amazon AWS. I have completed pretty much everything. I've made this into a Docker as well. Here is, the entire project itself. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So pretty much what my portfolio project is, it's it's the back end and front end. Yeah, I went and just decided to do the front end as well. I decided to learn it. That's why this portfolio project took me so long to do, but here I am. I'm finally finished with it. So as you can see down here, it is pretty much like a store and its applications so that you can apply for a job at this store. So the server's already running. We're gonna go ahead and start and check it out. So here is the home page. As you can see, this is a text store and it says welcome home. Currently we are logged in as nobody, right? We're not logged in at all. So I haven't logged in. I didn't do anything. I also have a second tab over here for the administrations panel just to show the backend portion because it's a little hard to kind of tell what's going on behind the scenes when I'm explaining it. So that's why I'm going to have this admin panel for us. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, well, let's say I wanted to, apply for a job at this tech store. And I want to check out the positions. Well, I can't. I need to be logged in. What if I wanted to apply? I, again, can't. I need to be logged in. Well, I could click here, but why not just go to well, I guess, yeah, I'll click that, but oh, I don't have an account. What do I need to do? Oh, I need to register. Or I could just click here on the side, register. So why not? Let's go ahead and register. Let's name ourselves program pro now let's do back end man. Email backendman125@gmail.com. Password will be, let's just make up a password. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's click register. And as you can see, we registered. See, you have successfully registered and now have access to become an applicant and apply for a position. Awesome. So let's go ahead and log in. Now, I'm not going to log in with that account only because on the administrations panel, I will not be able to, I have to be a super user to be able to see this. And I already have a super user. So I'm just going to log in with my super user account. So log in, and as you can see, it tells us right up here that we are logged in as Esad, right? So I'm going to go ahead and log in here as well, just so I could show you the back end. What happened? Oh, we are, okay, cool. So, where was it? Users. So, right, we made it. Back end man, right? So that just shows that we were created as a person. So, our next thing that we're going to do is we're going to become an applicant. I already am an applicant, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that real quick. So, let's go ahead and apply, right? I want to become an applicant today. So, first name, I don't want to show off all my information here. So, I guess I could use my actual birthday, June 10th, 1999. My email, will do fake email. Yeah, fake email at gmail.com. Phone number, I'm just going to copy that one, 777-444-5555. 10 text store, whatever it was. Whatever. It really doesn't matter. It's not super important. 10 text store, I don't have to finish. So, yeah, so we're going to click submit. Cool. We have been added. Let's go check that out. I am now an applicant. As you can see, Esad, it has all my information right there. Awesome. So, well, before here it shows you are not eligible to apply for a position. Click here to apply now. Well, I don't know. Maybe I just want to go back and check out the positions. Oh, cool. Now we can check out the positions tabs since we are logged in. And if you didn't notice, where it used to say log in on the side, it now says log out, which is a cool little feature I added. So, what's our positions? We got sales associate, gives us a description, requirements or job requirements, hourly pay, backend developer, and tech lead. So, you know what? Let's go apply. Oh, but now we're back to this page. What can we do? Already an applicant. Click here to apply now. Clicked right there. So this page, unfortunately, I wasn't able to make so nice. It was extremely difficult to do because there's a lot of IDs on this page in the back end that's not here. So I was able to do it for my apply page, for example. The user has, or the applicant, this applicant has a user ID that automatically gets selected. It's hidden, but it automatically gets selected to the user that you're signed in as. And as you can see, my user was Esad, but there's 4 others as well. But it automatically chose me, the one that I'm logged in as. Unfortunately, I couldn't do that so much here, so we're just going to have to kind of play around with it. My applicant name, of course, is Esad. I can upload my resume. I do have fake resumes that I made. They're literally just called test resume. And my cover letter, test cover letter. You cannot continue without submitting all this. As you can see, it's nice little JavaScript that comes in pre-built with Django. So date of submission, what's today? 2023... 0130. Choose a position to apply for. I want to be a backend developer. That's what I'm going to do. Submit. Cool. My application was successfully submitted. So let's go ahead and check that out in the admin panel. In my applications, right here, see, you can see this file does get stored, not here in the database because, well, it's not supposed to. But it does get stored. So for example, when I wasn't running on my EC2 instance, it was in my VS Code right here in a file called, I can't remember where it was. Let me find it real fast. It was somewhere here. Oh, media, right here. So you can see all the ones I had added beforehand. So yeah, as you can see, both my resumes, the date was submitted. It's in progress, which was not on that applications thing because I don't want to be able to say accepted. That's something a manager does. And a manager is over here. They can log in, go to the applicate, or no, excuse me, that's not something a manager can do. That's something only a super user could do. I can come over here and you know what? I'm going to say accepted. Cool. That's accepted. So I am now a backend developer. The applicant was me, Esad, reviewed by manager. This is obviously just fake play and stuff like that. Click save, done. And yeah, that's pretty much the entire thing, I would say. So like I said, home page, positions page, apply page. This isn't so much so a front end thing. There's so much going on behind scenes. It's just nice to look at and be able to use a front end rather than have to use something like Insomnia to get all the information and add information. So let's go ahead and log out. We're logged out. Currently logged in as nobody. If I wanted to log in, I could have done the back and man. Oh, it was right there. And password. Log in. Cool. See, we are as backend man, and even gives us the option to save. And that's pretty much my portfolio project. Like I said, it's all running on EC2 instance currently. You can see right here. It is also running back here. I can't close that just to confirm. As you can see, it was working, but let me see. If I run server, go here, it does work. So yeah, it all works. I hope whoever's watching this video enjoyed this video. Any questions, comments, or concerns is greatly appreciated. And yeah, thank you for watching.